sometimes the insert copied cell does not work. So you'll see here we've got a little database, similar thing here. What we can do is I can highlight column D, copy it. I can go here, when I right click, I can say insert copied cells so that it gets copied and inserted between the two. I'm just going to undo this. And all I'm going to do now is just put on, you'll see I've got a filter here and I just don't want to see the blanks. Now when I do that, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy it. Immediately you'll see the copy is slightly different. When I come here, when I right click, you'll see I no longer have an option to paste the copied cells. So if I say insert, it just gives me a blank. So the easy solution here is just make sure any filter is off when you're going to do this. And we can now go copy that column, and I'll do it again, insert copied cells, and you'll see it puts it over there.